Hi guys, this is Derek and welcome to my first ever challenge series video. For me, this challenge series is not just a video, it's the beginning of something new, something real, something raw. Because honestly, I believe that growth can never happen in your comfort zone. And to get out of this comfort zone, I'm challenging myself. For those who are new here, a quick intro. I'm an IIT Roorkee graduate working as an APM in Gurgaon. But honestly, that's the shortest version of me. There's much more to my journey and life, and that's exactly what I'm gonna explore and share with you all guys on this channel. Now, अब बात आती है कि challenge क्यों? So, I am from IIT and it's easy for me to make a video on IIT preparation series. Or, I'm working in a product role. So it's easy for me to make a video on how to get into product domain and, land your first job. It's easy for me comparatively, right? I can do that maybe on some other channel or maybe like any workshop or so. But that question came in my mind that will that push me to grow now? And the answer is no. आई डोंट वांट टू बी दैट गाय कि अपने पास के कुछ अचीवमेंट्स को फ्लेक्स करे या उसके अराउंड कंटेंट बनाता रहे रिपीटेबिलिटी पे. आई वांट टू लर्न, आई वांट टू अपस्किल, आई वांट टू कीप ऑन हसलिंग, राइट? एंड इन दैट प्रोसेस, इन दैट जर्नी, जिसमें कुछ सक्सेस होंगे, कुछ फेलियर्स होंगे, कुछ हार्ट ब्रेक्स होंगे, कुछ विन्स होंगी, आई वांट टू टेक यू थ्रू एंड दैट इज व्हाई आई एम स्टार्टिंग दिस सीरीज. So here's the first challenge for me. Can I crack CAT in 250 hours? Now before we talk more on the challenge, the thing is ki whether I want to do MBA next year, the answer is no. So then why, right? CAT prep for me is not just for MBA. It's about getting back into that grind mode after 5-6 years. I passed IIT exam in 2019 and after that I don't think so I have worked hard enough for anything as such. So this challenge for me is about discipline. It's about mental sharpness, and above all, it's more or less getting out of my comfort zone. Now CAT exam is on 30th of November and today is 10th of September. I'm planning to wrap it up by 23rd of November so that I can have a week जिसमें I can chill and relax, right? My daily routine somehow looks like I go to gym, I have a 9 to 5 job, then I do some side hustles, I also record this YouTube videos, and beyond that I'm planning if I can get 2 to 3 hours of daily time on weekdays and a longer span of like 5 to 6 hours. So roughly I can make around 250 hours. So that's the challenge. 250 hours, not more, not less, no excuses, no extra time, just 250 hours to see how far I can go. And I have categorized the wins like if I get 99 percentile above, then I have killed it. If I get 95 to 99 percentile, I have done okayish and good enough. Then if I get 90 to 95, it's like average performance. And below that if I get, then yes, I lost the challenge. अब रही बात कि यार मैं अकेले भी कर सकता था, मुझे वीडियोस बनाने की ज़रूरत थी नहीं, बट आई थिंक अकेले अगर मैं करता तो शायद आई वुड हैव ड्रॉप्ड इट, राइट? या मैं उतना अकाउंटेबल नहीं होता. नाउ दैट आई हैव पुट अप अ वीडियो एंड क्रिएटेड अ चैलेंज अराउंड इट, तो मेरी अकाउंटेबिलिटी अब 10x बढ़ गई है. अब मैंने सबके सामने बोल दिया, तो अब मुझे एफर्ट डालने पड़ेंगे, अब मुझे वो डिसिप्लिन लाना पड़ेगा, अब मुझे उस तरह से टाइम डिवोट करके कहीं ना कहीं आई हैव टू हसल एंड आई हैव टू ग्राइंड, राइट? और थ्रू आउट द जर्नी आई प्रोग्रेस, I'll keep on learning, I'll keep on growing, right? और ये जो पूरी जर्नी रहेगी, ये प्रोग्रेस रहेगी, I'm gonna share that on this channel, maybe in the form of shorts daily के, या फिर एक long form video weekly, जिसमें I will share कि कितना मेरा syllabus हो गया है, how much time is left for me and everything. It will be real. मैं कितना कर पा रहा हूँ, कितना टाइम दे पा रहा हूँ, कभी आलस कर रहा हूँ, कभी नहीं कर रहा हूँ, कभी एफर्ट ज़्यादा दे रहा हूँ. Everything around it, I'm gonna share on this channel, very real, very raw. So if you're preparing for CAT or any other exam, या आपने कुछ अपना personal goal set किया हो, gym हो, coding हो, placement हो, कुछ भी हो, you can align your journey with me. Let's discuss, let's connect, and let's share progress. I'll keep updating about this challenge on YouTube. You can also follow me on Instagram, or you can join my WhatsApp channel to get to know about all the updates. Links in the description. Look, I don't know where I'll end up. Maybe I'll do great, maybe I'll crash badly. But one thing for sure, I won't be the same person as I am today. And isn't that the whole point? To become a better version of yourself. So let's go. 250 hours, CAT 2025, Derek versus Derek. Game on. Hi guys, this is Derek and welcome to my first ever challenge.